Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 10.5 question number 1. Here construct the right angle triangle PQR where M measure up angle Q is equal to 90 degree, QR is equal to 8 centimeter and PR is equal to 10 centimeter. First of all, we will draw a rough idea. Draw a right angle triangle to get a rough idea of this triangle. For example, this is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle. Suppose this is a right angle triangle PQR where Q is equal to 90 degree. Q is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree, right? And QR, you get 8 centimeter. QR is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. And PR is 10 centimeter. PR is 10 centimeter. Right? Let us draw the triangle. QR is equal to 8 centimeter, PR is 10 centimeter, and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. Right? For that, what we do? First of all, you take a ruler and with this ruler draw a line that is 8 centimeter long. Q is equal to 8 centimeter from 0 take a line 8 centimeter long. This is 8 centimeter. Now you see we are taking a line 8 centimeter long. 6, 7, here see 7.9. Yes, this is exactly 8 centimeter, right? This is exactly 8 centimeter, and we write the name of this line. Suppose this is point Q and this is point R. This is 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. Now with the help of with the help of with the help of a compass, we'll draw 90 degree at Q, right? We'll draw 90 degree at Q. For that, what we do? We'll extend this line Q. Extend this line by dot, right? Extend this line by dot. Suppose we are extending this line. Now, with the help of this compass, with the help of this compass, put the compass at the point Q, right? And draw an arc here. Draw an arc here, right? Draw an arc. Right? Now, what if we do? Now, extend this length to some extent, and then again taking this point at this point, draw an arc here, right? And taking this again at this point, draw another arc, that will give you 90 degree at point Q, right? Now with the help of the scale, draw the 90 degree of this ruler or scale, draw the line, right? Now draw a line. This is 90 degree at the point Q, right? Now you have to take 10 centimeter RP. This is R. Now again that will take 10 centimeter, right? Let us take 10 centimeter here. Let us take 10 centimeter. Take this pointer at 0 point. Take this pointer at 0 point. Take this pointer at 0 point. At 0. Take this pointer at 0 point and take 10 centimeter. Let us take 10 centimeter. Extend this up to 10, 6.7, 8, 9.1, 9.2, 9.3, 9.9. This is exactly 10 centimeter. Here you see, this is exactly 10 centimeter. 10. Now remove this ruler. With the help of this compass, you can draw an arc with the length of 10 centimeter. Put this pointer at the point R and draw an arc here. Right. Putting the point at this point R, take an arc on this line. That will give you 10 centimeter, right? Now join this point R and this point, right? Now with the help of the ruler, join this point. With the help of the ruler, join this point. Now if you are joining this point, we are getting right. Now we are joining this point and you'll get the triangle, required triangle. Right? Now Give the name here, right? This is P, this point is P, this is Q, this is R. Now we have measure of angle Q. Measure of angle Q is equal to 90 degree, is equal to 90 degree, and QR is equal to 8 centimeter, 8 centimeter, and PR is equal to 10 centimeter, 10 centimeter. Then with this PR, the value of this PR is 10 centimeter, right? Now you see this value is 10 centimeter, and here you see in centimeter, and now you see here that this is the required triangle, right? This is the required triangle. 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 Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.